Hey everyone, Samsung is gearing up for its big Unpacked event on July 10th, and the leaks are pouring in. Recently, stunning renders of the upcoming foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6, have surfaced, and there's more. Leaks have teased a new lineup of wearables and accessories from Samsung. You can reserve your brand new Galaxy Z Fold 6 or Galaxy Z Flip 6 now through July 10th and score $50 in Samsung credit, plus up to $2,500 in trade-in savings when you pre-order. And you also have a chance to win a $5 Samsung credit. Tech Leaks expert Evan Blass has unveiled official, high-resolution marketing images of Samsung's upcoming releases, including the Galaxy Watch Ultra, Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Buds 3 Pro, and Galaxy Buds 3. The Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra features a rugged orange band and a new Ultra smartwatch designed with a proprietary connection for bands similar to the Apple Watch. The standard Galaxy Watch 7 features a design reminiscent of the Watch 6, shown with a rugged green band. For the earbuds, Blass dropped images of the Galaxy Buds 3 and Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Both have a sleek stem design, with the Pro model standing out in dark gray and a transparent case lid. The leaks confirm Samsung's trend towards innovation, combining style with functionality across their new wearables and earbuds. Mark your calendars for July 10th, because Samsung's Unpacked event promises to unveil these exciting new gadgets alongside the first ever Galaxy Ring and more details on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. Stay tuned for all the latest updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay informed on the latest tech news and product releases. Thanks for watching.